Guys, what if Apple's biggest competitor in 2026 isn't Samsung, but Apple itself? For the first time in iPhone history, Apple is preparing to launch two completely different flagship experiences at the same time. On one side, we have the iPhone 18 Pro, the evolution of everything Apple has perfected over the years. On the other side, we have the long-awaited foldable iPhone, a device that could completely change the way we think about smartphones. And here's what makes this battle so interesting. These two devices aren't targeting the same type of user. One focuses on refinement and reliability. The other focuses on innovation in a brand new form factor. So if you're planning to upgrade in late 2026, which one should you choose? Today, we're comparing every leaked detail, every rumored feature, and every major difference between the iPhone 18 Pro and Apple's first foldable iPhone. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which device deserves your money. Just remember that all information discussed in this video is based on leaks, analyst reports, and supply chain rumors until Apple officially announces these products. Let's start with design because this is where these two devices become completely different. The iPhone 18 Pro is expected to continue Apple's premium titanium design language. According to multiple reports, Apple isn't planning a radical redesign. Instead, the company appears focused on refining the current formula with thinner bezels, a smaller dynamic island, and subtle improvements to materials and durability. At first glance, many people might say that's boring, but Apple has always believed that refinement matters more than dramatic redesigns. The company usually spends years perfecting a product category before making major changes. The foldable iPhone follows the exact opposite philosophy. Leaks suggest Apple is developing a book-style foldable device that opens like a small book rather than a flip phone. When closed, it functions as a regular smartphone. When unfolded, it transforms into a mini tablet. Reports consistently point to a display around 7.8 inches when opened and around 5.5 inches when closed. This means users essentially get two devices in one: a smartphone in your pocket and a tablet whenever you need extra screen space. Apple is reportedly focusing heavily on hinge quality and crease reduction because foldable phones have historically suffered from visible creases and durability concerns. Several reports claim Apple wants the crease to be nearly invisible, something competitors have struggled to achieve for years. If Apple succeeds, the foldable iPhone could instantly become one of the most premium smartphones ever created. But there's a trade-off. Foldables are naturally more complex, more moving parts, more engineering challenges, and potentially more points of failure over time. The iPhone 18 Pro, meanwhile, benefits from a design that Apple has refined for years. So the design battle comes down to one question. Do you want familiarity and reliability, or do you want innovation and flexibility? Now let's talk about displays because this may be the biggest reason people choose one device over the other. The iPhone 18 Pro is expected to feature the same 6.3-inch display sizes found in previous generations, but with important upgrades underneath the surface. Rumors point toward more efficient LTPO plus display technology, improved brightness, and a significantly smaller dynamic island. Earlier rumors suggested Apple would completely hide Face ID under the display, but newer reports indicate Apple isn't quite ready for that step yet. Instead, only part of the Face ID system may move beneath the screen, resulting in a noticeably smaller dynamic island rather than eliminating it entirely. For many users, this is actually good news. A smaller dynamic island preserves all the features people already use while giving more usable screen space. The foldable iPhone is a completely different story. When unfolded, the rumored 7.8-inch display approaches iPad mini territory. That means reading articles, watching movies, editing photos, browsing websites, and multitasking could feel dramatically different from using a traditional smartphone. Imagine watching YouTube videos on a screen that's almost tablet-sized. Imagine viewing spreadsheets without constant zooming. Imagine gaming on a display that's nearly twice as large as a normal iPhone. That's the promise of a foldable device. However, software will determine whether that promise becomes reality. Many Android foldables have powerful hardware, but struggle because apps aren't fully optimized. Apple's success will depend on how well iOS adapts to the larger display. Analysts expect iOS 27 to introduce new multitasking and foldable-specific features to take advantage of the extra screen space. If Apple nails the software experience, the foldable iPhone could completely redefine mobile productivity. Now let's talk about performance because this is one area where both phones are expected to be incredibly powerful. According to current leaks, both the iPhone 18 Pro and Apple's foldable iPhone are expected to use the next generation a 20-chip family built on TSMC's advanced 2-nanometer process. That means faster performance, better efficiency, and significantly stronger AI processing compared to previous generations. Reports also suggest Apple is focusing heavily on on-device AI, allowing more tasks to run directly on the phone instead of relying on the cloud. The iPhone 18 Pro is expected to continue Apple's strategy of delivering flagship performance in a familiar design. Day-to-day usage, gaming, video editing, and AI features should all feel faster than ever. Apple is also rumored to be improving battery efficiency through the A20 Pro chip, helping users get more performance without sacrificing battery life. The foldable iPhone could be even more interesting. Reports suggest it may include up to 12 gigabytes of RAM, making it one of the most powerful iPhones Apple has ever produced. That extra memory would be extremely useful for multitasking on the larger display, allowing users to switch between apps more smoothly and run multiple tasks simultaneously. But performance alone doesn't decide a winner. The camera system could be one of the biggest reasons people choose the iPhone 18 Pro. Guys, current leaks point toward a new variable aperture main camera, something that would allow the lens to physically adjust how much light enters the sensor. In simple terms, this could improve low-light photography and give users more control over depth of field effects. It's one of the most exciting camera rumors we've heard in years because it's an actual hardware upgrade rather than just software processing. The foldable iPhone is expected to have premium cameras as well, but most reports suggest Apple may prioritize the folding design and thin form factor over having the absolute best camera hardware. That's a common compromise in the foldable market because space inside the device is much more limited. So if photography is your number one priority, the iPhone 18 Pro may have the advantage. Battery life is another important factor. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to feature one of the largest batteries ever included in an iPhone. Combined with the efficiency improvements from the A20 Pro chip, users could see meaningful battery gains compared to previous generations. The foldable iPhone is expected to include a large battery as well, but it also has a much larger display to power. And then there's the biggest difference of all, price. The iPhone 18 Pro is expected to remain in the traditional premium flagship range, similar to previous Pro models. The foldable iPhone, however, is expected to cost more than $2,000 according to multiple reports. That would make it one of the most expensive consumer products. So which device should you buy? If you want the best traditional iPhone experience, the best cameras, proven durability, and the safest upgrade path, the iPhone 18 Pro is probably the better choice. It offers everything people already love about the iPhone while adding meaningful improvements in performance, battery life, AI features, and photography. But if you want something completely new, something that feels futuristic and different from every iPhone that came before it, then the foldable iPhone could be Apple's most exciting product in years. A 7.8-inch tablet-sized display that folds into your pocket has the potential to completely change how people use their smartphones. The biggest question isn't whether Apple can build a foldable phone. The biggest question is whether consumers are ready to spend over $2,000 for that experience. Either way, September 2026 is shaping up to be one of the most important iPhone launches in Apple's history. For the first time ever, buyers may have to choose between the best traditional iPhone Apple has ever made and the first foldable iPhone the company has ever created. And that decision could define the future of the iPhone for years to come. Guys, subscribe the Upgrade Zone for daily updates.